world best practice, which doesn't give us world best results. There's some more things that PW adds into that first slide. That first slide is what we're all taught at university, at the seminars, what the gurus, what the consultants around the world tell us to do. It's what I learnt, it's what I was trying to do, it's what I've done, and I threw it away because it never got me the results. There's nothing here about change management. Nothing here about people, nothing here about managers understanding process control, understanding what the business is really about, nothing here about engineers getting off their bum and being out by the machines. Nothing here about teamwork. There's nothing here except a consultant being busy, a manager being busy, being able to show another piece of paper that'll fit in this part of the model. Heck, it's a joke. All right, operating risk reduction at the design stage. We're not talking about a plant, not talking about machines. This is the business. This is somebody's life. This is 1,000 guys for the next 20 years. We're building a company here, guys. A successful company. Engineering is a little bit, maintenance is a little bit of a huge thing. Operating risk reduction on the drawing board. Please give me stuff that returns the money we want. That is low cost to maintain, easy to operate, doesn't break down, makes great product. On the drawing board, design a business, not a bloody process plant. Optimise that. Design a machinery and a process plant and a layout that minimises my costs. Keep improving that until my maintenance costs are down, my operating costs are down, my efficiency is up, my energy usage is low. I'm world best practice on paper. Now turn it into something concrete with a chance of success. I'm building a business that's going to last 15, 20, 100 years. 100,000 people are going to go through this business in the coming years. They want to be happy, have successful family lives, have great careers. It's not a process plant. It's not physical assets. It's a business. But the assets have to do the right thing. Otherwise, if I get it wrong here, I'll never be successful. The business will go out of business in the near or distant future. So if we think about it in terms of building a business, then our vision changes, different perspective. Now I'm going to optimise for the best payoff forevermore. Of course, that now means what I will do in the workplace can't be the same as what I thought was sufficient. It's not sufficient. Precision maintenance, I've got to have accuracy, because if I have no accuracy, if I just say, good enough, then I have created wild distributions, some of which will look good and we'll think we're doing the right thing because we've been lucky to fall in the right part of the distribution. But that's just been luck. I haven't designed it to happen all the time. Whereas PW is about designing it to get rid of the luck. There's no luck in P&W. It's designed to work the right. So now precision maintenance and precision thinking and maintainability and availability and high reliability, low maintenance costs comes out of that design. That's what we're going to get automatically. So I'm going to have to put this into place. One more option we never had before. Nothing wrong with any of these. They're fine, but they're not enough. Not enough. Too much white space in the previous design. Too much white space. They're missing important things. So now we're down here. Now we're down to understanding what we really have to do to have high reliability of our machines. Through our PW process, we have assembled a plan for operations, for maintenance, and for the improvement of the assets and the sustenance of this outcome every single time. So we run those plans, we remove those defects, we get rid of those risks, and what we learn, we feed back to our project guys. So next time they build a new plant or get a new machine in for us, they're smarter. We've taught them, we've trained them, we've shown them a better or an issue that needs to be addressed. Now they're going to add value. This all comes from being in the precision domain. This comes from being accurate. What is right? Please tell me what right is. Show me what right is. Teach me what right is, and I will do it right. But if you don't know what right is, and I don't know what right is, then I have just created a horrible place to work. A company that has no idea of what right is. And that's what annoyed me for all my career until I threw those books away. Because something terribly important is missing. And it's about quality control. It's about knowing what gives me that result. How do I do that? What's the step-by-step requirement? How do I measure? What skills must I have? Who else has to help me? Once I know the details, once I know exactly the right script, and the script is correct, I can do it right. You can do it right. He can do it right. Now I'm ensuring the correct needs of those assets are achieved. So yeah, this I believe is far better than what we had before. I'm not going to say it's perfect, but it's far better.
Is it correct to say that the ACE 3T is a central part of PEW, all aspects of PEW? That anytime you look at some aspect, ACE 3T is there.
What ACE 3T does makes all these go away.
And so no matter whether you're looking at the maintenance aspect,
makes
the
all these
engineering
go
aspect, it all comes back to that.
Simple as that. Quality control.
The quality, if they want to have some quality control system, it still comes back to that.
What is right? How do I know I'm right? How do I measure I'm right? How do I test? There's the right, guys. Here it is. I've written it down in great detail, step by step. You know that 16-point milestone work order? No, guys, 75 steps. Here they are. Just follow the rules. If you can find a shortcut and a smarter idea, we'll experiment with that. We'll try it next time. So yeah, 3 T's is fundamental. In fact, if you put 3 T's into a company, forget the rest. Personally, this will drive you the right way. You don't need mountains more of work.
So
you need the right focus.
When we say wellness, we're really saying that band right there.
Yeah.
That's the wellness band.
If I do the right things, I'm going to get the right results. What this does, focus on what is right. If I do the right things, I get that result.
It's kind of like the health of a human being. If you look at your blood chemistry, there are boundaries.
Yeah.
For all the aspects, all the things they look at when they analyze your blood. Yeah. And if you're inside those brackets, you're okay.
Yeah. Yeah. There's nothing new in any of this. It's just packaging it up in a way that is usable and is believable and in fact works. But look, the 3 T's is the guts of bringing success. What we have to do is show how much money this will free up for companies. That's the bit that every manager will ask. Gee, if I do this, what's it mean for profitability, for my career, for my people, for my business success? That's the bit we have to have answers
for. So you could almost, if you were coming up with a name and hadn't thought of PEW, you could almost call it ACE.
Yeah, ACE. I mean, ACE as in best of the best. Yeah.
Accuracy Controlled Enterprise. Yeah.
And accuracy controlled expert. I like that word, the acronym ACE. It lets us play with the human concept and the business concept. Yeah. Look, in the end, it's to get the message across. If we can find 10 words to describe what this will do for companies, and in those 10 words is ACE, I'd be happy to take that on board.
Here's where we need the unhealthy-looking person to morph into Arnold. Yeah.
Yes, into our perhaps a healthy person, with a happy life, big smile on his face. Yeah. Look, as I say, we're trying to build a better process. I'm sure in time the PEW methodology will improve, maybe be replaced. I don't know, but all I see now is a better solution than is out there at the moment, and that solution is to achieve this. And if I achieve this, I know what's going to happen. The rest just falls out automatically. Profit, success, happiness, uptime, reliability, low-cost maintenance, low-cost operation. high efficiency of machinery, sustainability, all the things that we want on this planet now. It's a step forward, big step forward.